I'm going to teach you how to make my summer romper. The amazing thing about this romper is that it can be personalized in so many ways during the sewing process. So let's get started. The first thing to do is to print the romper pattern located in the video description and put the pieces together. Make sure to choose the correct size. Sizing charts are within the printable pattern. Next, cut your fabric. You'll need 2 pieces for the back, 2 pieces for the front, 2 pieces for the straps, and 2 pieces for the pockets. Place your back and front pieces on the table with the right sides facing together. Pin the ends with the curved edges of the back pieces. Do the same for the front pieces. Then stitch the pinned ends of the front and back pieces using a 3/8 seam allowance. Place the wrong side of the front piece facing up and hem the sides and top ends of the front and back pieces. Place the front and back sides on the table, right sides facing together. Pin both sides of the front and back together, and then pin the front and the back inner legs together. Stitch the pinned ends. Take one of the straps, fold it over long ways, and stitch using a 1/4 seam allowance. Do the same thing with the other strap, then iron both straps. Place the romper wrong side facing up, pin each strap to the top and match it to the other side. Make sure not to cross or flip your straps. Stitch all 4 straps to the romper. After, take your scissors and clip any loose threads. Before hemming, put on your romper to determine the desired length. Based on the desired length, fold the raw edges wrong sides facing together, and then iron for a clean finish. After, sew all the way around on both openings. Your pocket size is totally up to you. However, if you would like to know my pocket size, it is located in the description below. Cut 2 mirrored pieces of fabric. Iron hem the edges of the pockets and then stitch all the way around. Pin your desired placement for the pockets on the romper and sew along the ends. Make sure to leave a hand opening. Thank you for watching. I really hope you love your new summer romper.